And thanks for jumping on here. Appreciate it.
Hey, Lish, how's it going?
Hey, good. How's it going with you, Brady?
Good. It's good to see you.
Hi, Emma. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. You know why we're doing the Zoom call?
Yeah, I hear you're going to help me out.
Yes, we're going to help you out. We're going to onboard you to Swan Bitcoin.
So you want to talk about Bitcoin?
Yeah, I've been hearing a little bit about it. I was looking into Coinbase, and then I saw your post about Swan, and so I thought I'd reach out and see what that was all about.
Like I mentioned before, just wanted to walk you through a little bit about Swan and why it makes sense to add that to your Bitcoin game.
I'm excited, and you can pretend to be excited. Huh? Did you say something? You're muted, Ma. You're muted. You're muted. You hit mute.
All right, so I am going to navigate to swanbitcoin.com. SWAN Bitcoin.
One N.
.com/ Yeah, I gotta try that again. That's not gonna work. SWAN. All right, start over. How was that? Was that good?
That was good.
Do we cut?
Well, yeah, Coinbase is a very popular exchange. It's well known among the Bitcoin world. I'm not surprised that you heard about it first. Coinbase and Cash App are two of the most popular Bitcoin purchasing apps out there in the US. And if you're buying $150, $25, $10 a week, you can see the fees are just, we're really crushing Coinbase on fees here.
Yeah.
So there's really a no-brainer. And just, with that added in with the fact that Coinbase just offers all those altcoins and it's more of a trader's place, we really want to be the place where you can send your friends and family. Like Bitcoiners can be like, that's where you can be very comfortable sending, their friends and family to us. Coinbase has a lot of other coins, a lot of other altcoins.
Awesome. And so I think last time we talked, I had instructed you to use Cash App. Is that right?
Correct.
Yeah. And Cash App's great. I still use it sometimes. Many people at Swan also still use it. However, there are some differences with Cash App and Swan. And I guess we believe that there's a purpose for Swan.
And I started working at Swan because we're dedicated to being Bitcoin only. And that's important to me because money is it's a kind of a winner take all game. So
do you want to spend your time and your hard work to get an asset that somebody else can make for free in unlimited quantity, that somebody else can just print trillions of them out of thin air in a matter of seconds? Like, would that be a safe place to store value? Or do you want to own an asset that there isn't a soul on earth who can print it without adding value to its economy?
Point being, Bitcoin is where you want to start for sure, and I think end as well. If you're interested in playing, like gambling and going to the casino, you can check out those other things. But if you're interested in like long-term investing with a serious asset that is a contender on the global stage for a long-term store of value, then you want Bitcoin. So I think you're in the right place. And I would love to get you set up on Swan today.
Okay, yeah, that sounds exactly like what I'm looking for. Let's get it going.
All right, cool.
Yeah, I would love to dive in and see.
Okay, sweet. So why don't you share your screen? Perfect. Yes. And then on your incognito, nice. And then go to swanbitcoin.com.
Oh.
Perfect.
Okay, I'm now on Swan.
We're now on Swan.
I'm excited.
Now, what do you think you should do next?
Put my email address in.
Enter email to create an account. Yeah.
I can do that. And don't laugh because I still have an AOL account.
Don't worry, I'm gonna blur it out. No one's gonna see it.
I'm proud of it. Moms have it. Taking you to the Swan app.
And so one of the beautiful things here with Swan is that you set up an automated plan. So if you look at the sentence here, it starts off with save $50 for the Bitcoin every week. And then essentially what you do is you just set it up once, and then this will automatically pull from your bank account each time.
All right, how many? How much do you want to buy? Because you just literally edit all the stuff right there on the screen.
Oh, right here. Oh, that's interesting.
So what I love this interface here that our designer has put together. We call it the sentence. So you just fill out the sentence. Tell us what how much you want to save, how often you want to save it, and then we'll connect your bank account.
Okay. Let's do the 50 every paycheck.
So the whole idea is that you're going to start saving a little bit of Bitcoin either each week or each month or every 2 weeks. And you're going to set it and forget it. And then when the world collapses, you'll be fine. Cool?
Click on the part where you see My Bank, and that'll sort of help you. That's where you'll connect your bank account. And then before you hit create my account, click where it says the prepaid fees. Yeah, click that. And so at this tier, you kind of have two options here.
Yeah, there you go. You can prepay annually, and at this level, for $100 a month, you'll get 1.5%, 1.49%. You can also do pay as you go, which just means every transaction you'll pay a fee at 1.79%.
So the whole idea about stacking sats actually is that you don't have to own a full Bitcoin. A lot of people think that you have to have a whole Bitcoin, but you can actually just buy fractions at a time, and you can send fractions at a time. So it's kind of trying to change the way people think about it in their mind, if that makes sense.
Then what are my options for using? Link your bank, account type, checking, savings.
Routing number is required.
Okay. I do not have all this shit.
I should have prepared for that then.
So we've got all that set up, $50 every paycheck using your checking account and the prepaid annually fees. So go ahead and click create my account, and this will save your plan and ask you, all of the information you need to go through to set up basically a bank account with our banking partner called Prime Trust.
Social Security. Okay.
Yeah, and that's a good question you're bringing up. So all this information here is encrypted, and it's actually stored with our custodian, which is kind of like a Bitcoin bank called Prime Trust. And so they actually will store your Bitcoin for you until you're ready to take control of it yourself.
Okay, Please sign this agreement, which will enable us to open your account with Prime Trust, a licensed and regulated Nevada chartered trust company, similar to a bank, with you as the sole legal owner of all US dollars and Bitcoin assets stored within. Prime Trust will store your Bitcoin in offline cold storage wallets until you're ready to withdraw it to your own wallet.
Okay, so now we've got to do your identification, and this is for Know Your Customer, KYC laws to open a bank account. So if you just have a photo ID and your address is current and it's not expired, that's all you need.
Okay, driver's license. Got it. Next. Okay.
All right.
And then we're good to go.
Exactly.
And then I just
Nice job.
swanbitcoin.com anytime I want to access this account to change anything or update.
Exactly.
And that's it. I think you're done. Well, they got to verify you are who you say you are.
Right, that's why I don't have any money yet.
Right, and then you'll be good to go.
Yay!
And that's it.
There you go. You're done.
Cool.
You have a Bitcoin savings plan. That was it.
That was it.
That was it.
Now
Told
we
you it
gotta
didn't take long.
Cool. So you are now saving $50 every paycheck worth of Bitcoin. That's exciting.
That is really exciting.
And then, if you really want,
Yeah.
you can, we'll get you a link and you can share with all your friends, and everyone who you refer will get $5 of Bitcoin, and you will get 5 for everyone you refer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, I'll do it.
Yeah.
I'll do it. What's Bitcoin at today?
Up.
Good. We like up.